Hey guys, Nathan Cicio, Cicio Performance. I wanted to just do a little car highlight, spotlight, if you will, for our YouTube this week. Pretty excited about this. It's our first all-wheel drive conversion on a Lamborghini STO. Comes to us from Florida, really good client of ours, Kevin. He's had a GTR with us for quite some time. Also worked on his 720 for a little while, and then he saw the light and traded the 720 for the STO. We're doing a carbon copy build to our shop car, which is our C1400 package, with all the trimmings. So it's a fully built transmission with Dodson parts, and then our turbo kit by ETS, mirror image turbos, and so on and so forth. I won't go down the line, but it's our C1400 package. But then this obviously throws a little curveball of the all-wheel drive conversion. All-wheel drive conversion is a little tricky. You got to put some stuff in the transmission that the transmission doesn't come with. You have to put some shafts underneath the car that the car doesn't come with. But we're getting it all figured out. And again, it's our first time. It's not like there's a whole bunch of people in this industry sharing exactly how to do this. So it's kind of a labor of understanding and figuring it out. It hasn't run yet, so we'll let you know how that goes. We are controlling the all-wheel drive system directly with the Motec without any of the factory control, which I don't know how many people that have done this are doing that or not. I don't believe very many because it's a very beta software right now. I'm pretty excited about trying that out. I was speaking with Jason Hefner yesterday about kind of the ways he's doing it. He's doing it a little bit differently. So interesting how different people in this industry, they do the same thing, but they get to the end result in a very different way. And it's fun to talk about that kind of stuff with kind of the leaders in the industry and very smart people. So, but yeah, we're extremely, extremely excited about it. We're going to unveil the car, which is a little nerve-wracking, at Florida 2K next weekend. It is now Thursday. Car's not running. It's actually single turbo right now. We'll go back and show you that really quick. But we're really proud. We did some custom powder coating and some other like kind of, you know, trick stuff on this particular build. So we'll show you in the video, and then we'll show you some pictures of when it's actually complete with the logoing and stuff on it. We'll give you a little sneak peek in the video here. So yeah, just a big thank you to Kevin for sending us and trusting us with this car. What an amazing guy, awesome client, and become a very, very good friend of ours, both here and at our North shop, a good friend of Jan's. So yeah, man, so come on back and check this out. First of all, we got our custom tank in the front here for the water or ice, all powder coated to match the car. Pretty trick. And then yeah, the customer went wild, man. So billet intake manifold, all powder coated to match the color combinations of the car. Same with, we powder coated the oil tank as well, and the race intercoolers and all the compressor covers and all the trimmy bits. So it is going to be wild when it's put together, and all of the logoing is on it. We're pretty excited about that. I'm just like trying to take it all in even just now, and I've seen it 10 times. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. How much of this are you gonna be able to see? Where's the back of this thing? You gonna be able to see this through this thing, Phil?
I think a little bit. You'll get a little bit through the vents.
Oh, gotcha. Cool. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting when it's all together. Yeah, these cars, I think, they're a little lighter, and man, putting the all-wheel drive to it, I'm excited how it performs at Florida 2K. I believe he's gonna drag race this car and roll race this car in Florida. If you're coming to Florida, come by and see us, because we're gonna have a slew of pretty cool cars there. We've got this going. We got another good customer's R8 that we're just finishing up right now going. And then my R8 is going. I believe we have a customer coming down from Michigan and his Huracan Evo that's coming, and also a Performante that we built that is coming down, and then also, you know, of course, some GTRs, and then 2 C8s, both built motor C8s. So that's going to be kind of fun. See if we can get those into the low 9s. So come see us in Florida. Thanks again to Kevin. Really excited to show you more about this car as it goes on the dyno, 60 to 130 videos, and all the goodness. So, but we wanted to give a little spotlight on it on our Thursday upload for the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys, for the 237 people that are probably going to watch this video. Oh, Henry says like and subscribe, because when you subscribe, then it's going to email you annoying emails about when I am doing this again. Thanks. See you guys.
You gotta point to it.
Oh, I have to point to it. Here, hold on. Here, like and subscribe. That side. This side. like and subscribe to our channel.